Welcome to another exciting episode of Onga Foodie Master, brought to you by Onga, Mama's Helping Hand. As you already know, Onga Foodie Master is an Ongalicious and entertaining food game show here to put the food knowledge and taste buds of foodies to the test, set to a table of 4. The last foodie standing with the highest points gets to walk home with some amazing goodies courtesy of Onga Nigeria. I mean, how cool is that? Ichok Abi, I know Ichok. My name is Maiwa Mula and I'm your host and certified foodie, and I am super excited to meet our first 4 contestants who are getting ready to go head to head on this Ongalicious food experience.
My name is Olabisi. I'm a banker.
My name is Grace, and I'm an entrepreneur.
My name is Sharon, and I'm an advertising practitioner.
My name is Tunde. I'm a graphic designer, system engineer, and interior designer.
What's your favorite food?
Grilled plantain and fish.
Semo and any draw soup.
Fried egg.
Fried egg. Just fried egg.
Oh yeah, that's weird. Yeah, fried egg.
What do you like to have fried egg with?
Just fried egg.
Beans and plantain.
Why do you love grilled plantain and fish so much?
I don't know. You feel when you eat, it does this factory reset to my brain.
Factory resets, okay, nice.
I don't know. I love it.
You don't have any reason, it's just,
I just love
it
it.
comes to you naturally.
Yes.
Cause it's very easy to make. You don't necessarily have to have all that ceremony in it. It's so simple.
Semo is just a light food.
Okay.
And draw soup, it will just make the food to settle down.
Settle down well,
Very,
Abby.
yeah.
Do you think you have what it takes to be our Onga Foodie Master today?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely, so you're really sure?
Yeah, I'm confident about it.
Yes.
You do. That yes was very, like,
Yes,
assertive.
yes. I'm very sure.
We'll find out.
We'll find out. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much of a foodie are you?
20.
20. So you broke the scale.
8 to 10.
8 over 10.
Yeah,
So that means you're pretty confident.
very sure.
6.
6. That means you're not sure now. That's average.
I'm not so much of a foodie, but yeah, I like food.
9.
9 over 10. So that means you're pretty confident. We're gonna kick things off right now with the food trivia segment, and in this segment, our foodies will have to let their pen and paper do the talking in 20 seconds. After reading out their questions, the moment I say stop, they'll have to drop their pen and paper and reveal their answers. But not to worry, because in this round, I'll be acting as their best friend, but I'll also be watching their every move. Alright, are you ready for my question? Onga seasoning has a beef variant, yes or no? Onga seasoning has a beef variant, yes or no? Your time starts now. It's like BC is sure of an answer. Okay, everybody's sure. You may reveal your answers. BC, your answer was no. Mind you, you were the first person to actually write down your answer, so you were the most confident. Tunde, your answer was yes. Sharon, your answer was no. Grace, your answer was yes. Sharon and BC team, no. I'm here to tell you and announce to you that yes, you guys are the ones that got the answer wrong. You actually got it wrong. You are not the winners of this round. The winners are Tunde and Grace. Congratulations, you got the answer correct. We're moving on right now to the food challenge round, and this round definitely is my favorite round. In this round, our foodies will be blindfolded and they'll have to guess what food is placed in front of them using only 2 of their senses. They can either taste the food or they can touch the food. Blindfolds down. Alright, now you can touch and taste the food in front of you. You have 20 seconds. 10, 8, 5, 3, 2, drop your spoons. You can take off your blindfolds. You have 20 seconds to write down your answer. Your time starts now. Drop your pen. You may now reveal your answers. And it would seem that everybody had the same idea of what they ate. You all said you ate pancake. That was everybody's answer. Unfortunately, all of you got the answer wrong. What you actually ate was sinisa, also known as rice pancake. So you all get no points, 0 points in this round. Right now, our foodies will have to analyze the food that they just tasted, describing to me their experience when they were tasting the food for the first time. After which they'll have to guess which of the ingredients placed in front of them was not used to make the food that they just tasted. Remember, they still have only 20 seconds to get the answer correct. All right, Grace, you just tasted something. Can you describe to me your experience tasting the food?
It was soft, fluffy, sweet, sort of. It wasn't so spicy and I liked it.
What I felt I tasted at first was beans cake, that is akara. Yeah. So later on I was like, no, this one is not a kind of akara here. So I had to make a conclusion that it was pancake. So that's why I had to go for pancake.
Pancake.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy eating it?
Yes.
You liked it?
I liked it.
Yes.
You
very
did?
moist. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, right now you have 3 ingredients placed in front of you. You have rice, you have beans, and you have millets. Which of these ingredients was not used to make the food you just tasted?
No.
None. So, wait, you can pick one, you can pick 2, and you can also say none. That's also an option. Are you sticking with that?
None is an option.
Yes.
Yes. No.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Definitely no beans.
Are you going with just the beans or you're going with beans and rice?
Beans and rice. I
Beans
think
and rice.
so.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
I think it's beans and millet.
Beans and millet.
Yeah.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
I don't know anything about millet, so I'm going to remove this millet and rice.
Millet and rice.
Yes.
You're sure?
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Final answer.
BC, your answer was millet and rice. Grace, your answer was beans and rice. Sunday, your answer was beans and millet. And Sharon, Sharon,
Oh my god.
Sharon said we did not use any of those ingredients to make what she tasted, though.
Wow.
That we're on our own. One of you would get the answer correctly. Grace, unfortunately, the answer is not beans and rice. Sharon,
I already know.
we did use one of those ingredients to make the food. If you had picked one, maybe you would have gotten the answer correctly. So you get 0 points. BC, you had rice pancake. Your answer was millet and rice. You used rice. With that being said, Tunde got the answer correctly. Beans and millet was not used. Tunde is officially our Onga Foodie Master for today with 2 points. Make some noise, make some noise.
Wow.
Congratulations, Tunde. Congratulations, Tunde. You are our Onga Foodie Master for today. The only man amongst the women. How do you feel?
I'm very happy. I'm elated.
Yeah,
very excited
Yeah.
for this opportunity.
Yes.
I'm very happy.
You're very happy. You do seem happy. Is there anybody you want to give a shout out to?
Yes, of course. I would like to give a shout out to Onga Sydney for giving me this opportunity. I appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, with that, we've come to the end of another exciting episode of Onga Foodie Master. But not to worry, because Onga Foodie Master will be back next time with some more interesting food twists. In the meantime, make sure you follow us on all our social media handles at Onga_Nigeria on Facebook and Instagram. I remain your host and certified foodie, Maiwa Mula, signing out.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.